Welcome back to my channel. This is the second time that I'm filming this video. Trying some new things, background, tried a different setting on my camera, and it just did not work out right. So I'm hoping things won't appear blurry this time and I will be more in focus throughout the video. This video is going to be about my recent trip to TJ Maxx. I haven't been to TJ Maxx in years. I know I went probably 10-15 years ago and they just didn't have as many makeup products, and I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers post a lot of BH Cosmetics products, which, spoiler alert, I was able to find some, and that makes me so happy because I am really just upset that they're going out of business. I love their eyeshadow formula. Their palettes were some of my favorites. So, to start off with, on my lips, this is something that I found at TJ Maxx. It is the Morphe lip gloss, and it is in the shade Hot Shot. It's just a beautiful bright red shade. It's gorgeous, comfortable on the lips. It's not too glossy to where I feel like it's just going to get all over the face, and I love a good red lip, so that's definitely one of my favorites. And the next palette that I actually have on my eyes today is the Cara Beauty San Francisco palette. These are just really fun, bright summer shades. I started off with using the shade Vista in the crease. Then I went with the shade Perfect Escape on the outer portion of my lid. On the inner portion, I used this beautiful gold shade Golden City. And then on my bottom lash line, I went in with Trolley. And here's a look at my eyes. I will also try and insert some photos that I'm also going to post on my Instagram, which is also Outrage and Grace. Feel free to follow me there as well. The next palette is also a Cara Beauty palette, and this is the Los Angeles palette. Look at the inside of that. Just some beautiful, fun shades that I think would look gorgeous for the spring and summer. The next palette is the Pure Cosmetics Defense Anti-Pollution Eyeshadow Palette. I've never used a Pure Cosmetics palette before, so I'm really excited to try this one out. Like, those shimmer shades look gorgeous. The next palette, it is the Revolution Pro New Neutrals palette. I am a big fan of Makeup Revolution, and I found that their new neutral palettes, or the palettes under the neutral line, are just absolutely gorgeous. So here is a look at that palette. I really can't wait to try out that red glittery shade. Looks beautiful. The next is a Revolution Candy Haze shadow palette. See that right here? And here is a look at that palette. The next palette is a BH Cosmetics, which was my favorite eyeshadow formula maker. I'm so upset that they are going out of business, but it's the So Spoiled palette. Here is a look at the inside of that. Just some really fun shades. I just can't begin to express how much I loved the BH Cosmetics palettes. The next palette is the Sub-Zero palette. And these are just some really, really fun blue shades. The next palette is one that I've been wanting to get my hands on. It is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And here's a look at the inside of that. Just look at those shades. You could do some really, really fun, colorful looks with this palette, which I cannot wait to do. And last but not least, we have the Smitten in Switzerland palette. And here's what the inside of that palette looks like. Alright, products. And also, I almost forgot, I got this really cute tumbler. I'm not sure how well you can see that. It's got a beautiful dragonfly on it. I love dragonflies. So that was the end of my TJ Maxx haul. I'm thinking I might try and do this maybe once a month. Just go to TJ Maxx, see if there are any products that interest me, and then film a video about the products I pick up, which will most likely be eyeshadows or lipsticks. Those are my two favorite beauty products. So if that's something that you would be interested in, please let me know. And if you have any drugstore makeup brands I should try or products that you love, please feel free to comment about them down below. I'd love to hear about some of your favorite products. And also, if you want to do me a favor, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm still trying to get some things worked out, but hopefully things will only get better from here, so please bear with me. Like, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, wherever you are.